Go get the Gigo, honey. Go get him. There's Mommy. Oh, there he goes. There goes the Gigo. We have the whole beach to ourselves. Skylar's not even 2 yet. This is her second time at Brigantine, and there's Mommy. And they're spinning. And here's Daddy too. Love Mommy and the baby. And she's so happy. We were running. Look at how cute she is. Look at how cute she is. Her and Mommy. Woo. There we go. This is our first time in going towards the water with being able to walk. Here it is. Oh, it's cold. Yeah. Hey, honey, look at Daddy. Careful. Oh. Honey, let me see your face. You're like a little Indian. You don't even care that it's cold, do you? You are so cute. Mommy, smile and wave. You are so cute, honey. Huh. It's freezing, but she doesn't seem to mind. Look at her. It's beautiful here. As you can see, there's nobody on the beach at all. It's just us. Yeah, we got lucky for today. Yeah, Skylar's gonna chase this little seagull. Go get him, honey. Oh, you are so cute.